Who's salty?
No, 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 no. See. Salty. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Luto tayo doon, Maya.
Noon?
Because it's salty. No need for salt. This is...
Masakit sa mukha yun, malakdi.
What?
Ng water ng sea. Ito pang yan na lang, yung pool. O, diba?
Ew, that tastes like chlorine.
Yeah. Uy, walang chlorine yan. It's a natural water yan from the mountain. Ano ka ba?
The pool?
Yeah! That's why, di mo nakikita over ng water nila because of from the mountain na tubig. Sira, walang chlorine yan. Galing doon ng water.
That's the mountain.
Yeah. Ano kaya sa amin? Kilala ko.
That's...
Look like a have a chlorine. Walang chlorine yan. Perfect lang yun. Saka naman dun sa alat-alat ng tubig doon eh. Okay.
Where you going? You said it in film.
Huh?
You said it on the camera. Where's the do not disturb sign? Did you see it? This is our door. It's like a Japanese door. Okay, I'm gonna go look to see what's there to do. I'm gonna look to see what's there to do. Bakit bahala ko? Mahal mo ako? Ha? Say it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, look at our beds. Oh.
What you doing to me?
Why? What happened?
I have a blood.
What?